Hi there friends, today we are going to design a heart. It's not gonna be perfect just because I'm just using Embrilliance Essential. So you can modify and do whatever, and you can make any changes you want. I just wanna show you what I'm doing, and I wanna apply it into a beanie and we'll see how it turns out. Let's quick go through the hoop that you're gonna be using. So I got it on the 5x7, but I'm gonna be using, I believe I'm gonna use the 4x4, but we can change it. So for now, let's use keep on 5x7. So the next thing we're gonna do, we are going to go to this merge design from library, and we are going to select a heart. I'm gonna click OK. Okay, there's our heart, and you can make it as big as you want to. So I don't think it matters that much. So for now, because when we save it, we can make it bigger or smaller. So for now, let's make it. No, I don't want to do that. I wanted to keep the shape, so we're gonna grab it from the corner. Next thing we're gonna do is we are going to select an oboe. It's right here. Click OK. We are going to rotate it, and we are going to make it small. And I'm gonna use this for my eyes. We are going to duplicate because we gotta have the other eye, and we are going to set it right here, and you can make them like the way you want to. So let's use, I'm just showing you, okay? You have to play with these settings. This one we're gonna change the color, and it doesn't really matter because when you are doing it, since it's, I have a one needle machine, so I can just add the colors right there. But for now, I'm just gonna change the color to black. So next we are going to copy this, or we can just paste because I think it's already saved, and then we're gonna do it. Well, we can just do it once. So, and we are going to make this smaller. And like I said, all these are going to be your decision. So I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and then you can make the changes as you please. So that's gonna be, we are going to copy this, and then we are going to paste it, and we're just gonna bring it to the other eye. And you can see my heart is looking that way. So you can change this, like if you want it to look up or down or to the other side, whatever you want to. So for now, we're just gonna set it right there. So now we are going to go to the library again, and we're gonna choose circle. We are gonna make this really small, and we are going to set it up here, and that's gonna be the lighting, like, and these are gonna make them on white or really gray. Same thing with this one. So then I'm going to make it on my sewing machine, and then you're gonna see how it looks, and you're gonna change whatever you want, okay? Now we're gonna make a mouth and a nose. So for this, the mouth, I'm just gonna use a letter. I'm just gonna use the letter C. So we are going to rotate this. We are going to bring it down, and on the block font, okay? Just play with it. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna make it, no, that's fine. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever. So for me, that's fine. And we are going to make this black as well. Or if you want it red, just do it red. And we are going to copy this and paste it. We are going to rotate it. I'm gonna bring it up and we're gonna make it smaller. Oops, no, wrong. And right here you can set it the way you want to. I kind of want it right there. And I'm gonna just flip it a little bit. And the mouth, I'm going to just flip it a little bit. You're gonna play with all these figures and you're gonna make it the way you want to. Like you wanna make it sad, you make it sad. So this is a really simple thing. Oh, you want it surprise, you can just make a circle instead. So right here you can do whatever you want to. So let's assume that you like this. So now what we are going to do, we are going to, and there might be another way to do this. I don't know, so I'm just learning. So this is what I'm doing right here. So we are going to delete this. And we are going to delete this. So we are going to save this heart. So file, save, and I already saved mine in the previous, so I'm just gonna put design 1. You're gonna name it heart. Okay, it's gonna save desktop, that's fine. So you're gonna save it. Then you're gonna click the return button, and then you're gonna delete your heart because you already saved that one. So we are going to delete this, and we are gonna save this. And this is gonna be our mouth, so we're just gonna put design 1, 2, 1, 3 for me. So you're gonna name it mouth. You're gonna delete this. You're gonna continue saving all your pieces. Like I'm gonna delete this one, and I'm gonna delete this one. Delete that. And I'm gonna save all this in one. So I'm just gonna put file, save stitches, and you're gonna name it eyes. For me, I'm just gonna put design 4. Save. Okay. So then we are going to do this. And we are going to delete this. We are going to delete this, and we are going to save this and save it. Same thing, whatever you want to name it. We are going to go back and we are going to delete this, and then we're going to save this as whatever name you want it so you can find them later. Okay? So same thing. So cancel. So I'm going to cancel everything. I'm going to delete everything because you already saved all your pieces. So now I'm going to set up my hoop on my hoop 4x4 because that's the one I want to use, and that's this one. So I'm going to click apply, and that's my hoop. So I'm going to make it big. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to import our images. And desktop, I got mine. So you see right here, I got him. Oh, you know what I forgot? The eyebrows. Okay, so cancel. Okay, I'm just gonna show you really quick what I did for the eyebrows. I apologize, I forgot about that. What I did for the eyebrows, right here. And I selected this. So I'm gonna click OK. We're gonna use rotate it. And this is what I did. I just switch it to black. And I just set it like this. Right there. Like I said, you can just play with it, make it the way you want to. And you're just gonna set it right. And make the adjustments you want to. Same thing, you're gonna delete everything and you're going to save those pieces. Let's keep going. And I apologize about that. So we are going to go to this icon right here. We are going to our desktop. Select the heart, the eyes, the eyebrows, the light, and the mouth. And then we are going to import. So now we have our pieces there. So we're gonna hold everything together. Okay, so we selected all, and then we are going to make it smaller, the size that we want it. And I want it about 2 inches big. That's all we can go, so 2 inches. And then we're gonna center it, and we can start accommodating our pieces. So I want my mouth there. What we are going to do now, we're gonna put them in order. So we are going to put our heart first. We wanted the heart to sew first. Then we want the bigger eyes, like these eyes and the nose. Oops. And then the eyebrows right there. So we want the heart, then the big eyes, then the eyebrows with the then we want the mouth, and we want the light down. So that's the order we want. Let's see how that works. So we're gonna sew our heart, and we are going to put whatever you wanna put on it. So okay. Then you're gonna do your eyes, then it's gonna do the center, your nose, then it's gonna do the mouth, and then it's going to do your light, if that's what you wanna do, okay? We're gonna go to these scissors so we can hide some of the stitches, okay? So we're gonna do that, and once again. So that's gonna be better because when we play it, we're not gonna have the stitches twice in here. So they're not gonna be on the way, and it's gonna make our design thicker. Like I said, we're gonna try that. If you don't like it, you don't have to do it that way. We are going to try together and see how that turns. So what we are going to do, we are going to save a stitch on working, and we're gonna put my heart, save. And what you want to do before exiting, you want to make sure that it's saved as a BE and as a PES, because let's say you exit out right here. If you go to my heart BE, you can make changes. If you just save it as a PES, on this one you cannot make changes. It's already set up. So make sure you got the BE. So because remember we're trying, so if we don't like it, we can go ahead and make changes. So right now we're gonna go to our sewing machine, and we're gonna try it and see how it turned out.